What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, consider the circuit depicted in figure 7.43 where W over L is equal to 20 over 0.18. Assuming the current flowing through R2 is 1/10 of ID1, calculate the values of R1 and R2 so that ID1 is equal to 0.5 milliampere. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. Here we have to know one thing. Vs is equal to VRS. VR is also equal to ID times RS. RS is 200 ohm. I directly put it right here. And ID is 0.5 milliampere. And if you multiply, you will get 0.1 voltage. That is Vs. Now the next thing is we are going to solve for, there's an equation for IDS that is given by drain source current, that's given by half mu n COX W over L times VGS minus V threshold square. Now let's go ahead and plug all the values. IDS is 0.5 milli, okay, and 1 over 2 mu n COX is 200 times 10 to the power of minus 6, that's a constant value. W over L is 20 over 0.18, 20 over 0.18, and VGS is what we are going to find, and V threshold is 0.4, and that's also constant value. And if you solve for VGS from this, you will end up with 0.612, and VGS is nothing but VGS is nothing but VG minus Vs. So VG is going to be equivalent to 0.612 plus, this is equal to 0.612 plus Vs. 0.612 plus Vs is 0.1, and that gives us 0.712 voltage. That is our VG value. Also, we can create an equation for VG. There's an equation for VG, that is VG is equal to VDD minus IR1 times R1. And here if you solve for R1, you will end up with 21.76 kilo ohm. And to find out R2, we can use this equation. VGS is equal to IR2 times R2. And here if you solve for R2, you will get VGS is 0.712 divided by IR2, that is 0.05 times 10 to the power of 3. Alexa, what is 0.712 divided by 0.05?
0.712 divided by 0.05 is 14.24.
Okay, so this one is equal to 14.24 kilo ohm. This is our R1 and this one is R2. And that's how you do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.